Do you have a girlfriend in Crèche?
She dumped me because I no get bicycle. Love don hard in this Nigeria.
Why you put biscuit inside offering box?
Na my tithe be that. My auntie gave me 10 biscuits, so God get one.
Why you no gree drink pap?
I don tire to dey drink pap. Na shawarma I wan dey chop now.
Why you no wan greet auntie?
She dey always ask me when I go marry.
Why you no dey go buy biscuit again?
I dey save am to marry. Bride price dey cost these days.
Do you have phone?
Yes na, I just block one auntie on WhatsApp wey dey always beg me for urgent 2k.
Why you no wear your pampers today?
Pampers no dey drip again. I dey rock pamper wey get designer vibes.
What do you want God to do for you?
Make NEPA bring light, abeg. I wan watch Cocomelon in peace.